Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Tetris app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download the app from there. But as I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to go over to the App Store, this blue button in the middle of my home screen. Press that, go down to the bottom right, the search page, and then at the top, start typing in Tetris. Press the search button on the bottom right, and that's going to load a bunch of different listings for us. Scroll past the first advertisement and go over to the Tetris app right here. From there, there's a button on the right hand side that says Get GET. You want to press that, and then it's going to ask us to confirm Face ID by double clicking the button on the right hand side of the iPhone device. Once Face ID has been confirmed, it will start downloading the app, and you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring completing around the circle in the top right. Once this is fully downloaded, I will come back. And so there we go, guys. The Tetris app has fully downloaded on this device, and it basically gives us the option to press open and launch the app. So press open. And there we go, guys. The Tetris app has fully downloaded successfully on this device, and now it's going to give us the option to sign into our account. You can sign into an Apple account, to your Facebook, or play as guest and start playing Tetris on your mobile device. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you.